how I got unlimited amount of wood chips for my garden. So check it out. See the wood chips, nice and fresh. Huge pile of wood chips. This is awesome for your garden bed or garden path. Let me show you what I do. You can put them on your garden path like this. Just spread them on your garden path. That way it's nice and protects the weeds from coming out. You can see I just protect the whole garden path over here. Nice and protected from weeds coming out. Also maintain some moisture in the soil, and also help absorb some of the rainfall and water, and provides an environment for worms and other beneficial organisms. Here I just put a weed barrier underneath. You don't have to, but just for extra protection, put the weed barrier underneath, and I just cover the whole path over here with the wood chips. You can see that. You can also use it on your raised beds, and also on your shrubs and flowers, underneath your shrubs and flowers. That would help protect the beds. So all you have to do is ask any tree service or tree company or arborist around your area. Usually they will even be happy to give it to you for free, because they don't have to carry it a long distance to get rid of it, and in some areas they have to pay to get rid of it. So if you just ask them politely, most often they will give you a huge pile of it. The only disadvantage with this is that usually you have to take the whole truck. They cannot just give you half, so make sure you have enough space to be able to take the whole truck in order for you to be able to get it. But most often they will try to accommodate you, and all you need to do is point to location where you want them to drop it, and they'll drop it for you. So I got a huge pile. They were over here bringing down some trees and cleaning up some trees that fell, and so we asked them to give us wood chips, and they gave us a huge pile of wood chips. And also my neighbor also got another huge pile of wood chips right here. So definitely recommend it if you need wood chips for your garden or for your yard. Definitely recommend getting in contact with any tree company, tree cutting companies, tree services, arborists around your area. They'll be able to give you wood chips. You don't need to buy much. You can use these, cover the beds, cover your trees and shrubs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use them to cover our trees, our flowers. We're just gonna use it. So this is what we had a couple of years ago. I got another pile like this like 2 years ago. You can see they've broken down already, so I'm gonna add another layer to it around my trees, around my garden, and around my flowers and shrubs. And it's gonna help mulch, use it like a mulch. It's gonna take a long time to break down, but it's still gonna be fine. It's gonna protect the soil and retain some moisture, and also prevent weeds from coming out. Let me know in the comments below if you've done this, and let me know if there are other ways you can get wood chips for free. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Smash the like button, share the video. If you learned something new today, somebody else might benefit from that, so share the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, save, share, and follow for more videos like this.